electricity is being used in almost everywhere,
such as in factories, schools, hospitals, universities, communication and transportation systems, and all other places where people are living. From the use of cell phones, television, light bulbs, the internet, the heating and the cooling system in our homes are operating through electricity.
Have you ever imagined life would be like without electricity? In this video, we are going to talk about the importance of the electricity and how we depend on the electricity in our daily life. Now, let's find out the discovery of the electrical energy.
It is not wrong to describe electricity as being global. Think of any of the everyday appliances. Most of them run on electric power. We are using electricity literally every moment. If you look around at any given time, you will find at least one appliance that uses electricity. George Carlin says, electricity is just organized lightning. That is true. Let's see what it looks to organize lightning into modern-day electricity and who contributes to its discovery. Benjamin was the founding father of electricity, and in 1750, he helped to establish the connection between lightning and electricity. In around 600 BC, Greece first discovered the static electricity. Static electricity occurs where there is a bit of electric charge on the surface of a material. It is called static electricity because the charge don't move. The electricity we use every day involves moving charge. In 1660, Uta von Greg invented the machine that produced static electricity. In around 1729, Stephen Gray discovered the conduction of electricity. In 1733, Charles discovered the electricity come in resonance and vitreous. Then, around 1882, Thomas Edison invented the first electric cooking range. In 1883, the electric transformer is invented, and Thomas Edison introduced the three-wire.
Actually, it was not discovered by one person. There were many people discovered the electrical energy step by step.
What is electricity and electrical energy? The discovery of electricity is one of the greatest achievements of human beings, which remove darkness and increase the human efficiency by making it possible to perform greater amounts of work in less time. Before talking about electricity, it is also important to know what energy is. Energy is the ability to do work. It cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred or changed. Electrical energy is kind of energy that is obtained from the movement of electric charge, which can be kinetic energies or potential energy. Basically, electrons and protons are featured to make electricity to work. Electrons referring to negatively charged particle, while proton referring to positively charged particle. Electrons in a copper wires are free to move. To perform the work, they are use a force which causes other particles to move and do work. Moreover, this force moves to attract charged particles away from each other. For the electricity that we use every day is generated in power plants through the conversions of various natural resources such as water, sun, and wind energy, or non-renewable such as coal, oil, and natural gas. It becomes a part of our daily life and it is around us almost everywhere. We use electrical energies for batteries, laptop, television, cell phones, light bulbs, and etc. Electrical energy could be found in various things. For instance, it is used to power up a light, to cook, to heat, to cool, to watch, and so on. Explore how the electricity is used in Chiang Mai and the importance of electrical energy. Electricity was introduced to Thailand by Field Marshal Chao Phraya Surasadik Montri. He purchased 2 electric generators from British with the money gained from the heritage land sold for 14,400 baht, and on September 20, 1884, that was His Majesty King Rama V's birthday anniversary, the electricity was used for the first time in Charik Mahaprasad Hall, which marked the start of Thailand electricity utility. The power supply was expanded to Chiang Mai and other provinces in 1934.
What about the use of electrical energy in Chiang Mai? Let's go and explore how it is used here. When I'm thirsty, I don't have to find the store to find the water. I can just get it here. Now people communicate each other no matter how far the distance is. All you need is mobile phone and the internet. Come, have a look here. Electric shuttle bus in Chiang Mai University. These are how the residents consume the electricity. Electrical energy in your daily life?
I use in charging my computer for study and also charging my phone. Yes.
Used for cooking and including rice and curry, and also we use like for computer phone for communication and for study. And also, you know, light is very important, right? So yeah, nighttime we use the light to see and to study, and also we use fan. So now the weather is very hot, so having fan and so we use it with electricity.
We use computer like for assignment. Also we use sometimes like for communication. Also like for light. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you think electricity is important?
Yes, I think so.
Main power is supplied by the state-owned provincial electricity authority. The rate is governed by the type of the property which you live. Condo residents and those who living in the house, they will have the meter read once a month by the representative of the PEA. For people who rent apartments, they will have to pay the electricity which set by the building owner. It clearly shows that electricity is very important and we are depending on it for our survival. We see the consumption of the electrical energy is almost everywhere. As a robot to show the signal of the traffic light? Probably no. Now electrical energy provides the automatic traffic lights. Of course, we can stay without electricity, but not in modern time. In modern time, every single act we live is associated with electrical energy. And electric energy is the major energies that we are using in our daily life. These are just some important points of the electricity. However, there are also some disadvantages and concerning issues as well. For instance, it is most commonly made by burning crude oil or fossil fuel. The bad thing is that these are non-renewable. Once these resources disappear, the world will be definitely suffer. In conclusion, the introduction of electricity tends to be associated with progress and modernity. Electric light brings fundamental impact on the distinction between day and night. Instead of depending on the natural cycle of sun and moon, daily activity can be performed also during evening and make our life more easier and comfortable. Electricity becomes a part of our life and we cannot think of the world without it. We can use electricity if we really need it, but if not, we need to turn off all the electrical appliances that we not need. Finally, we need to learn how to value the electricity.